Hello everyone, I'm Lakha from EduNirvana, and in today's video I will talk about the different question types of TOEFL reading and writing sections, as well as give you some strategies to help you ace the exam. The 20 questions of the reading section comprises of 6 different question types. First we have is factual information and negative factual information. Factual information questions ask you to recognize the information that is explicitly given in the passage, whereas negative factual information questions are similar, but instead of one option being true, there are two options which are true, and you have to determine which one is false. For factual information questions, it is important to evaluate all the options and not just because some words or phrases are found in the passage. Whereas for negative factual information questions, make sure that the information is either not in the paragraph or directly contradicts the information. Next we have is reading inference and rhetorical purpose. Inference questions ask you to understand or comprehend an idea that is not explicitly given in the passage. Rhetorical purpose questions are also similar because they also ask you to comprehend an idea which is not explicitly stated, but they will ask questions like why an author has given a specific information. It is important to keep in mind why an exact piece of information has been given before you select the correct answer. Next we have is vocabulary questions. These questions ask you to identify the meaning of the words or phrases given in the passage. To get accurate answers, try to connect the given word with the words you already know, or you can understand the meaning by understanding the context of the passage. The next question type we have is sentence simplification. This question asks you to identify a sentence that has essentially the same meaning as the sentence in the reading passage. Basically asks you to restate the most important information given in the sentence. Remember that all the answer choices may contain correct details, but the distractors might present it incorrectly. So keep in mind that you have to focus on only one sentence. Any information that exists outside the sentence may not be included in the correct answer. The next question type is insert text. In this, you're expected to place a sentence in a paragraph where it makes the most sense. These tests are designed to see whether you understand the logical structure of the reading passage or not. The placement of the sentence depends on the logical flow of ideas as well as the grammatical connections in it. First, keep in mind that there is only one place where the sentence will fit correctly. Second, if a sentence does not fit logically, then it might be the grammar that disqualifies the spot. So, you should read the passage with answer choices in each location. And the last question type we have is prose summary. These questions are designed to see if you understand the ideas and information given in the passage. Remember that there are 6 options provided, out of which you have to select 3 options which give the most relevant and important information of the passage. Keep in mind that you are being asked to distinguish between main ideas and minor details. The incorrect choices may misrepresent information or give just minor details. So, to avoid confusion, make sure that you read the entire passage and understand all the relevant and important information before you select the correct answers. Now, moving on to the next section. The TOEFL writing section comprises of 2 tasks. First is the integrated writing, in which you will be given a reading passage that you will have to read for 3 minutes. Make sure to mark and understand the main ideas and key points in the passage. Then, you will have to listen to a lecture which is on the same topic but from a different perspective. The entire question will ask you to summarize the ideas in the lecture and how they relate to the reading passage. To get a good score, select the main information from the lecture and note it down. Also, write in paragraphs so that your essay looks structured. It will also allow the reader to follow your ideas. And finally, practice paraphrasing. And the best way to do that is to write the main ideas in your own words. The next task is an academic discussion. In this, you're expected to participate in an online classroom discussion where a professor will post a question on a given topic and other classmates will respond with their ideas. You will have 10 minutes to post your own ideas. In this task, you're expected to share your opinions that are relevant, cohesive, and well supported by reasons and examples. The best way to approach a response is by listening to the discussion carefully and coming up with 1 to 2 ideas. Then elaborate on them as much as you can And finally, strengthen your opinion by plenty of arguments. Now that we have extensively understood the question types of the reading and writing sections of TOEFL, I hope you feel confident for the exam. Do comment if you have any doubts, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel EduNirvana for more informative content.